At Nationwide Children's Hospital, we're committed to shaping the future of pediatric neurosurgery. Our neurosurgery fellowship offers unparalleled training in diagnosing and treating neurological conditions in children. From rare disorders to complex cases, our fellows gain hands-on experience under the guidance of world-class experts.
Teaching is really one of our greatest responsibilities. My love for teaching is probably just behind, my love for neurosurgery, and providing education and guidance is something I take really great passion and pride in. I love teaching undergraduate students, medical students, residents, fellows.
The second largest pediatric hospital in the United States, we're ranked in the top 10 for neurology and neurosurgery by U.S. News and World Report, and listed on the prestigious U.S. News Honor Roll of the 10 best children's hospitals for more than a decade.
Nationwide has great resources as we build programs that cause patients to travel from around the country. We're the national leader in the treatment of care with children.
Are you ready to make a difference? Join us and embark on a journey to transform pediatric neurosurgery.